How to redeem Forever 21 gift cards. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to redeem your Forever 21 gift cards. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for forever21.com, and once you search in for that, just tap on this first link which appears over here, which is the official website of Forever 21. So once you're inside here, just make sure you have already logged into your account, and now simply choose any of the accessories or products that you like to buy. So for now, I'll simply choose any one of these over here. So let's say I want to buy these. So just choose the product which you want to buy and simply click on this add to cart button over here. And once you tap on that, just click on this checkout option over here. If you want to add more products, you can just do that. So once you finally inside here, so you can see on the right section of my screen, for my product there is a discount code, so you can basically type in enter your discount code just like this, which is a redeemable code. So you can just apply it and get the required discount on your particular product that you would like to buy. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.